Introduce highlight features or overview summary of DeeprClean 300 GPH Pool Filter Pump. There are features include high-efficiency filtration. This 300 GPH pool filter pump is the ideal choice for maintaining consistently crystal clear pool water. It efficiently removes impurities, dirt and suspended particles, keeping your pool water sparkling clean. It can handle 300 gallons of water per hour and manage pools with a capacity of up to 2,200 gallons. Ideal for lively family pool gatherings, it keeps water fresh and sanitary for comfortable, fun-filled swimming sessions. Safe and durable. Our above-ground pool filters are designed, manufactured, and tested to the highest standards, with ETL safety certification. A built-in ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, ensures electrical safety, which allows you swimming safely when the pump running. Additionally, crafted from high-strength PP material, the pump body boasts corrosion and aging resistance. Plus, solid built construction improves overall toughness, making the pump sturdier and longer lasting. Simple setup and quiet design. This pool pump is compatible with various small above-ground pool types, such as inflatable pools and metal frame pools. Installation is super easy when you follow our instructions, just plug it in, and you're ready to go. What's more, its quiet design ensures undisturbed nighttime operation. In addition, its reliable stable operation rules out frequent on-off cycling, optimizing overall working efficiency. Bought together. Add a DeeprClean smart plug timer to effortlessly set the nighttime filtration. Daytime use, schedule, no manual operation required. The Cartridge filter pump automatically activates its filtration program at night, letting you relax and enjoy the convenience of overnight cleaning. Swim freely in pristine, crystal clear water to maximize your swimming pleasure and keep your family safe and healthy. Note: the smart plug is not included. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.